Also, I've got to update my flashing lights map. I've received more video footage from different locations in Nevada, Utah, more locations out of Texas. I'm going to share those videos with you guys. In fact, right now, here we go. The flashing light phenomena continues, starting off in South Lake Tahoe. Video footage submitted by Aaron. This video has narration. Here we go.
So that light has been blinking all week this week here in South Lake Tahoe at this gas station here. And it's been doing that this whole week. And also across the street, kind of hard to see it, but the open sign for McDonald's is flashing too. Definitely what's going on, that's for sure.
It is strange indeed. You guys are going to see a car malfunctioning at an intersection in this video. No joke. A gentleman happened to take a video of a car's lights flashing at an intersection as he was waiting on a red light to turn green going to Utah. I have to add this location to the list. Alicia, January 20th of 2025. Another mysterious flashing light for unknown reasons. It's supposed to be on, just steady, not flashing above the door. Video number 3 of a series of videos that I put together going to Sugar Creek, Missouri. Check this one out. Amber, September, January 15th of 2025. Multiple lights here. In fact, about 10 in a stretch of quite possibly a city block. There's these large storage tanks, and all the lights around these storage tanks were flashing for, again, mysterious reasons. Going to Rialto, California. Here's what I was talking about earlier about a car malfunctioning at an intersection. Video footage submitted by Art from January 20th at 1:36 p.m. Look at that.
Just saying this now, northbound right before Placerita Canyon. We've got a crash, right lane and the Placerita off-ramp on that northbound.
What?
That's shut down. Santa Ana wind event underway with classic wind direction northeast here for this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. And
Not quite sure what to make of that.
for this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. Fastest
They look like the mysterious flashing street lights that we've been seeing all around the world. Bill R. noticed this out the window of his bedroom. Lights flashing off in the distance. You can see 1, 2, quite possibly a third down the road, but the trees were in the way. Video number 6. More mysterious lights up in the northern Illinois area. Check this out. Video by Billy. January 20th was a busy night. Here's yet another video from January 20th at 5:50 a.m. by Billy out of Chesney Park, Illinois. This video has narration. Here we go.
Chesney Park, Illinois, 5:50 in the a.m. It's negative 5 degrees. This has got to go to BB 33. Wow, this is trippy. Nowhere else anything going on.
As you heard Billy say, this is trippy. He'd never seen that before. And it's cold in northern Illinois during the winter months, and people don't normally see flickering lights all over town, but that seems to be the case now, not only all over town, but all around the world. Going to Corpus Christi, Texas, video footage sent in by Kelby. Also, January 20th of 2025, 11:59 p.m. That one there was flashing very, very brightly. So was that one over there. 2 out of all these lights in this plaza were malfunctioning for unknown reasons. I mean, something was interfering with the flow of electricity to those 2 particular light poles. Exactly what was causing the interruption, nobody seems to know. Video number 8 going to Denton, Texas. This video has narration by Brian Larson.
freaky strobe light.
Called it a freaky strobe light. Video number 9 out of Portland, Oregon. Check this out. More flashing lights for unknown reasons. Also on January 20th, Daniel noticed this rogue flashing light that's not supposed to be flashing. Moving on to video number 10, going to East Point, Michigan. This video has narration. Here we go.
We're in East Point, Michigan.
about 6:50 in the evening. First time I seen it, I thought that I would never see this, but as like a lot of other people all over the world, apparently, or at least America, have been seeing it.
People are seeing this online, and they're quite taken back whenever they see it in person. They don't think they're going to see it in person. But when they do, like I said, they're very taken back. Fred out of Covina, California, another one who was very surprised when he looked over and saw these lights flashing for unknown reasons. January 15th of 2025 at 5:32 p.m. This video has narration. Here we go.
You just watch.
Just like you said, Mr. MBB, this is Covina, California, and the lights are flickering on and on. What's going on here? Not all of them. There's a few.
And you could tell he was very surprised looking at those flashing lights. He'd seen the videos and then saw them in person. And like he pointed out, it was just a few of the lights, not all of them. Is there something unique about those particular lights that are causing them to react to something? Cosmic rays, EMPs, something is interfering with the flow of electricity to those specific lights. January 17th, 4:53 a.m., video by J1. Notice these flashing lights over here at what looks like a factory or something. I mean, it's very well lit up. But as you can clearly see, some of the lights are malfunctioning. They're flashing, and they shouldn't be. The rest of the lights aren't. They're behaving normally like normal night lights would. Lights flashing all around the world. What are they responding to? They're trying to tell us something. They're telling a story. We have to figure out what they're telling. Going to video number 13, up in Philadelphia. I have to add this location on the map, January 20th. Kasim noticed these lights flashing on the 20th at 7:06 p.m. Multiple lights as he was looking down the street. 1, 2, 3, quite possibly 4 in Philadelphia. Again, I'll have to update the map. Going to Tomball, Texas. This video has narration by Jason. Once again, January the 20th, 4:48 p.m. The majority of these videos that you've seen here are from the 20th.
We got lights flickering over here, Tomball, Texas. Strange.
And as you heard Jason say, strange, and it does look very strange indeed. It's not even dark yet, and you've got two lights here in the parking lot flashing for, again, unknown reasons. Video number 15 going down to New South Wales, Australia. Video footage sent in by William from January 18th of 2025. This video has narration. Here we go.
Is a flashing street light. Flashing at a very fast rate. This is near Ulan in New South Wales, in the coalfields. I've just been to that company there. Yeah, so there you go.
He's obviously out here all the time, and he had never seen this type of behavior before. So I've got to update the map. As you can see, there have been many more videos sent in from a variety of different locations. So the map will be updated tonight, and I'll share it with you guys tomorrow.